Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn what is composite key, why do we need composite key, how to use composite key in MySQL with example. Before watching this video, I will recommend you to watch my MySQL tutorial 17, what is primary. A table can have only one primary key, and in the table this primary key can consist of single or multiple columns or fields. A primary key having two or more columns, fields, or attributes is called composite key. It is a combination of two or more columns. This is the definition of composite key. Now, why do we need composite key? A composite key is useful when the table needs to identify each record or row or tuple with more than one attribute uniquely. It is possible that each column may not be unique by itself within the database. However, when combined with the other column or columns, the combination of composite keys become unique. Note that a column used in the composite key can have different data types. Thus, it is not required to be the same data type for the columns to make a composite key in MySQL. Now I will create one database and table to show you the example of composite key. Drop database if exist customer semicolon create database customer use customer first. I am checking that this database is exist or not, customer database. Then I am creating the database customer and using this customer. Now I will create table create table name product product. First column name order number order no using short form, data type integer, constraint not null. Second column name product id, data type varchar, length 255, not null. Product name, this is the third column, data type varchar, constraint not null. Quantity integer, data type not null. comma, now setting as primary key, order number, product ID, product ID. I'm using two column as primary key, combination of two columns, order number and product ID. Selecting this one and executing this portion to create database, customer and table product. So refreshing this one, customer, table, product, column, order number, product ID, product name, quantity. Okay. Now want to select ACLEC select all from database name customer, table name, product. Now I'm deleting this one. Check the data type describe customer dot product. To check data type and primary key, you have to use describe then database name dot table name. Now we can see the data type, order number type integer, product ID varchar, product name varchar and quantity integer, and primary key order number and product ID, which is the combination of two column as primary key. Now I will insert some values. Insert into customer dot product, database name dot table name product. Here I have to give the column name. Column name, order number, order number, NO, comma, product ID, comma, product name, product name, comma, quantity, quantity, values, values, 1, 2, 3, C0, C01. This is product ID. Then now I will give product name, computer, quantity suppose 5. 1 2 3 comma L0 and L01, product name laptop, suppose quantity 14. 1 2 3 1 2 3 product ID M01, product name mouse, quantity suppose 18. I'm inserting another one, 456, there is order number, comma, product ID L01, comma, laptop, quantity suppose 10. Order number 789, K01, product name keyboard, suppose quantity 08. Insert into database name dot table name field or column order number, product ID, product name, quantity, values, 123 C01, computer, quantity 5, 123, order number, product ID L01, product name laptop, quantity 14, order number 123, product ID M01, product name mouse 18, then 456, order number, product ID L01, product name laptop 10, quantity 789, order number K01, product ID keyboard, product name, quantity 08. One thing I missed, that I have to give comma here, otherwise we'll get error. Now I will execute insert statement. Execute the selected portion. 5 rows affected. Select in this example, order number and product ID cannot be a primary key. Suppose you want to make order number as primary key, or you want to make product ID as primary key. This is actually cannot be a primary key, as it does not uniquely identify a record or row or tuple. If you look at 1 2 3 order number and product ID here is L01, in number 4 row you can see that order number 456 and product ID is L01. So we cannot identify this order number or product ID uniquely. However, a composite key of order number and product ID can be used as it uniquely identify each record. Suppose I'm deleting this portion. You want to add same order number 123 and product ID C01. Then it will throw an error saying that duplicate entry for product dot primary. So let's check. I'm clearing this one to show you. Look at here also, action output. I'm inserting the same order number and product ID C01, order number and product ID. See, duplicate entry 123 C01 for key product dot primary. I've already told you before executing this statement. That means you cannot add duplicate key. I'm again selecting this one. That means you can not add duplicate key 123 and C01 again. But if you want to add different order number but same product ID, you can add, or same product ID and different order number, you can add easily. Now I will check that. Let's check. I'm clearing this one. Suppose I'm giving order number now 1 to 5. Check one row affected. That means we can add with different order number but same product number. Selecting this portion. Check 125 C01 computer quantity file. Now I will use same order number but different product ID. We can easily add it. 123 R01, that is RAM. Suppose quantity is 50. I'm using same order number but different product ID. I can easily add it. See, one rows affected. That means I have inserted this. 123 RAM. See, 123 R01 RAM 50. This one. Therefore, we can say that composite key always enforces the uniqueness of the column of that table, which has 2 keys, or you can also make 3 keys, 4 keys if you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about MySQL, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.